1 minute.
Hypocrite.
How can you say the country is not
He claims
involved
to
in it?
want
I must intervene once again, please.
But the Congress party and also
Dr.
the
Srinivasan, I have-
are from moving ahead with
Dr.
nuclear
Srinivasan,
development.
Dr. Srinivasan, gentlemen,
you
there are
cannot stop.
disagreements.
God, please
Gentlemen,
stop
1
this now.
minute. Gentlemen,
no
1
way
minute,
to
please.
conduct a
You know, you
debate.
are such experienced. You are
This is no
so
way to
far.
conduct a debate.
You are all so
this
far.
man must be stopped.
Yes. You are so experienced. You have disagreements. You are all specialists in a subject, and I am not. I am only requesting. We can have all our individual points of view. So I'm going to come back to Dr. Gopalakrishnan in just a minute. But I have a question for Abhishek Manu Singhvi.
Look,
Dr. Singh, 1 minute, gentlemen, let me please. Dr. Singhvi, again I am quoting your environment
This is
minister's
not fair.
clearance.
Dr.
1 minute,
Gopalakrishnan
1 minute.
hardly
On the
said
premise of the clearance for this plant, I have this letter, it's signed by Jairam Ramesh. His signature is here on the screen tonight. This clearance is November 28, 2010. And in this clearance, here it is for the cameras, yes. And here he says that the decision to accord environment clearance for Jaitapur has been difficult. On the one side, there are many issues raised on the preservation of marine biodiversity, an area in which India is weak. But at the same time, he says, there are weighty strategic and economic reasons in favor of the grant of the environmental clearance. Now, my simple question to you is, how can an environment minister talk about strategic and foreign policy and economic reasons? He should be giving an environmental clearance. If that is the argument, a strategic argument is used to give an environmental clearance, then this clearance holds no value. Is this all about, last page, sir, you can pick up the last page. I am not quoting anything out of context. Last page, page number 8. Page number 8.
Now, can I read the whole of that?
Yeah, I am also reading the whole of it.
Arnab?
I can
Arnab,
go on.
1 minute. Arnab,
Yes.
1 minute. 1 minute, Arnab. There's no point going on. We both have it. The environment minister takes a decision.
Yes.
It's his decision which counts. What he's saying is, you have to read the whole thing holistically. He gives several reasons earlier about fuel policy mix objectives, economic growth objectives, and other things. He then gives some of the contentions against the project. He then concludes in the end that for the reasons which I have opined, although it's not a case where the Jaitapur objectors have no case at all, he's quite frank to say it. But ultimately, it's the cross of the responsibility which a government and a minister has to bear.
Sir, but
it is for him.
global diplomacy?
The buck stops at him. 1 minute.
Global diplomacy?
Therefore, he takes his view. Global diplomacy is one phrase. Don't put it out of context.
So I'm not taking anything out of
Sentence
context.
reads, I am stipulated to provide, let me read it, to provide essential middle ground to reconcile the objectives of economic growth, fuel mix diversification, global
diplomacy.
and environmental protection. Well, very well. One of the phrases is that, but there are two other
No, is
phrases.
this about-
environmental protection and fuel mix.
No,
So
no.
therefore, look, this is a wrong way of doing it, Arnab.
Arnab.
You're reading one sentence with
No, no,
four
sir.
words, of which two are this way, two are that way.
No, no,
the
sir, I'm
whole
not.
order has to be
I'm
read.
not.
He has given reasons.
I-
but that's not the point. The real point is that after this order of Jairam Ramesh, Japan happened. And we are saying, and I am saying to you, that if Japan teaches us lessons which require correction, or which are something earth-shattering, of course it will be done.
Sir,
This is an 18-year, it's an 8-year project before it starts. How should you stop things today when it has gone through 6 or 7 levels? Is this the way for a 9% economic growth,
Arnab,
you're going to have 7%
Arnab, can I
electricity
come-
growth?
1 minute.
And
Arnab,
each 5-year
I respectfully-
plan, we've had
This
half
debate is
the
very
growth. we're
one-sided.
expecting.
Sir, I'm
You are
coming
letting
to, I
Dr.
respectfully,
Srinivasan
I respectfully,
and Dr. Singhvi
I
talk
respectfully,
all the time. This is not fair.
Mr.
Dr. Gopalakrishnan hasn't had much say. I haven't had much say.
I'm coming to
This
you.
is not fair. This is a
I'm
very
coming
one-sided
straight to you,
debate.
Dr.
This is not a
Bidwai.
debate. Yeah.
Dr. Bidwai, I'm coming straight to you, but I must make a point to Abhishek Manu Singhvi because he's made a charge of that I've misquoted this letter. Dr. Singhvi, I'm placing on record tonight that I respectfully
I said
disagree
read
with
the
your
whole
charge
thing.
that I'm misquoting this. But I would like Praful Bidwai to please come in now, please. Yes, you heard Dr. Singhvi.
Yes. I think it's very, very clear that the Jaitapur project was cleared for dubious reasons, political reasons, 6 days before French President Nicolas Sarkozy's visit, and this
That's a big
clearance needs to be reviewed. And Jairam Ramesh had actually promised soon after the Fukushima accident happened
I have a point
that he would be open to such a review in the light of the thorough safety examination that the Prime Minister has ordered of all our nuclear installations. Now, this
61.
examination, to be fair and objective, must be independent. We haven't achieved that. The Department of Atomic Energy is simply not a credible agency. You have the Secretary of the Department of Atomic Energy saying after 2 hydrogen explosions that this is a purely chemical reaction, there is no nuclear accident. You have the Nuclear Power Corporation saying these people are delusional. The hydrogen explosions occurred because of fuel damage in the reactor core, which is a nuclear problem. They are become the laughing stock of the world scientific community. These are people who are running our nuclear program. What reason do we have to have any faith and confidence in them?
Let me tell you the
That's why
following.
I'm saying.
Now,
I must intervene.
Yeah,
I must intervene
don't
here.
interrupt me, Dr. Srinivasan.
Look,
You have hogged all the time.
No,
You have hogged all the time. Just
1
keep
minute,
quiet.
gentlemen.
Damaging
You
statement.
have hogged.
Let them
We have to have a
come.
credible review. People like you are not credible.
No,
This is
the
ridiculous.
international
This
community
is,
has got a very
you are a
great regard for
hypocrite.
the Indian
You
nuclear
talk
community.
of the virtues
Otherwise, they would not be dealing with us at all.
of a
If they
civilized
believed in it,
debate.
they would not be
You
dealing with us
cannot,
at
you are
all.
not capable of a
Doctor-
civilized debate.
Damaging
1 minute.
You are not capable.
Gentlemen.
I'm sorry.
Gentlemen, I request you, gentlemen, 1 minute, please. May I please come in,
Are
gentlemen?
Not
Gentlemen, please.
capable.
I will
I am
let-
saying I want an independent
Please
review.
understand.
And
Please
unless that
understand there are
happens,
only 6
there will
countries.
be no
Dr.
place.
Dr. Srinivasan.
And Jaitapur
You
plant
cannot
is a
say-
bad
No, but
project.
Dr. Srinivasan.
We are
Responsible
importing
statements.
untested reactors, untested, unapproved even in the home country of France. This reactor type EPR has
that
attracted
can be discussed.
3,000 questions.
Look,
3,000 questions.
The point about
3,000 questions.
Okay, now-
French,
Sarkozy
Finnish,
Okay, now let-
British and
It is
American
not at
nuclear
all-
regulators.
Now-
This reactor
now-
should
we are-
not
we
be
have been
imported. We don't
discussing
even
with
know
France for
what
the
it
last
One minute.
will
5 or
be
6
like.
years.
Yes, Dr. Bidwai.
It's not a question of a
1 minute at a
Arrogant.
time. One at a time, gentlemen. Please, I request you. I
Let me
request
just
you.
finish.
I
am saying
Yeah.
that we
Look,
do
look,
not know
look, a
what the
point has
final
been
design
made,
of this
a
reactor
point has
will
been
be,
made that
because
that
3,000
we're
questions have been
questioning
raised.
the capability of
And
Indian
we
nuclear
are like
technology and
fools
science.
narrating the
That is
virtues of this
wrong.
reactor.
My time
I
is
must
up.
say,
Thanks.
It's
we've been
completely
operating 20
unscientific.
reactors successfully.
This reactor is in deep trouble in Finland.
Well, I must say this.
4 years behind schedule.
I must say
and
this.
95% over budget.
Arnab,
This is a complete disaster.
and yet
We
we're
cannot
supplying
import such
power.
a disaster.
Arnab,
I must say this now.
Remember that.
Gentlemen, I must intervene now. Now, gentlemen, you must listen to me, gentlemen. Please, I request you, gentlemen. I request you.
No, but then you are letting people make statements that are completely unfounded.
No, 1 second, 1 second.
See, India is one of the 6 countries
I have-
that is operating
please,
more
please.
than 20 reactors. And you
I
cannot say that we are a laughing stock with the world.
Okay,
How
now
can you say
please-
such a thing?
okay, I make this point.
When your scientists say
a
this-
laughing stock.
Praful Bidwai,
There
1
is
minute.
no
Can I
nuclear
please?
crisis.
Gentlemen, please,
Then you
Praful
become the
Praful
laughing
Bidwai.
stock.
Praful Bidwai. I have the highest respect for all
Can
of
I
you,
leave,
gentlemen.
please?
But let me please make one point to you tonight. On the news hour, everyone has, they say, no personal remarks, but I think people are noticing I'm extended this debate tonight only because the issue is so very significant. I request you, Abhishek Manu Singhvi, stay 5 more minutes tonight. I know you're a busy man,
I
but
have
given
to
the importance of
leave.
this subject,
No,
5
I
more
have to.
minutes, please. Now, my question, therefore, is to Dr. Gopalakrishnan. Seeing the nature of this debate, where do you see this going? We don't need more violence. We don't need political parties getting involved in this, egging people on, whichever way. What is the solution? Can those for and against sit together? Can you and Dr. Srinivasan sit together? I know it's asking for the, almost what is the point. Can you all sit together
Gopalakrishnan
and
has
seek
been
a
sitting with
solution?
me in the past. He was my student. We have negotiated issues together.
Oh my
He was
God.
my younger colleague. I have no problem at all with
Now
him.
let Dr. Gopalakrishnan come in.
Mixed up with so much politics.
look,
if it were not with politics,
may I have a word?
The table
Please.
and be shaking hands.
May I have a
Dr.
word?
Srinivasan,
So much
yes.
mixed up with politics. I'm
Doc-
so sorry
Arnab.
about that.
Arnab.
Dr. Gopalakrishnan, yeah.
He and
Arnab,
I have been sitting together
Yes.
for so many years.
I think-
Okay, 1 minute. Let him speak.
if Dr. Srinivasan will keep quiet, Dr. Srinivasan, please learn to keep quiet.
He's listening
For
to
a
you. Come on,
moment.
sir.
Learn
Yeah,
to
go on.
keep quiet.
No,
You are
Go on,
senior.
go on, sir. Go on, Dr.
Go ahead.
Gopalakrishnan.
Yes,
Go on, sir.
yes, I'm sorry.
Yes.
Arnab, let me say the portion you read out about Ramesh's clearance is a very crucial portion. The strategic compulsions that he was talking about includes the already committed purchase with the United States for 10,000 megawatt, and also the commitment that the Prime Minister seems to have made for purchasing 6 EPRs. Having made that, I think come hell or high water, the government wants to get the Jaitapur EPRs established. But when you now look at the local opposition and the realistic safety issues of this reactor, I think the Prime Minister has made a mistake in committing to buy EPRs from France. And this is the fact. And I think whatever happens, this opposition locally and nationally will only grow if the government is not willing to come out in the open and discuss their nuclear policy. Whatever else that Dr. Srinivasan may say, the country today does not have a firm nuclear policy based on rational decisions.
Okay.
The policy that
therefore, Dr.
Anil
Singhvi,
Kakodkar has framed is, the policy which is now we are working on will end up with 650,000 megawatt of nuclear power by 2050, something which is quite crazy and inane. This country cannot sustain that level of nuclear
Dr. Singhvi,
power, because even at with six reactor parks, if you put them up, there will be every
Dr.
55
Singhvi,
kilometers on our coast, we will have 6,000 megawatt of nuclear power.
Dr. Singhvi,
This is a totally irrational policy, and we have ended up with this policy merely because the Department of Atomic Energy is trying to retrofit a policy around the Prime Minister's already made commitment to purchase reactors.
Now,
we have to go back to the basics. The Prime Minister, if he has to withdraw from that commitment, and we will have to ab initio look at the need for
in the
import
past,
of reactors.
in the past,
If we have Dr. Srinivasan says about our capability on PHWR.
Gentlemen, I have to go to Abhishek now. I have to go to Abhishek Singhvi tonight. No, 1 second.
We have the capability.
I want to
we
know.
have the capability to build PHWRs. We should build them.
Now, my question is to Dr. Singhvi tonight. Dr. Singhvi, my question is to you.
Let me come
No,
in
no,
now.
1 minute. I'll come to you, Dr. Srinivasan.
We don't need to be told by Gopalakrishnan that we should build heavy water reactors. That's been the main line.
Now, we will not get into this debate here. Since I'm wrapping up, since I'm wrapping up, I'm asking Abhishek Manu Singhvi.
It is not Gopalakrishnan who has built any of those reactors.
Gentlemen, 1 minute, please.
Who have built those reactors.
Allow me, I cannot outshout you.
Dr. Srinivasan,
and all the
May I request you? Please, Dr. Gopalakrishnan, please do not extend this part of the debate.
If we could put out a lot more carbon, which is also not a possible
Now, you see,
solution.
my question is at a policy level. My question at a policy level. I will try to outshout everyone. My question at a policy level is to Dr. Singhvi. Dr. Singhvi, my question is direct to you. 1 minute.
We need to supplement both our own homegrown technology and also some imported technology as an additional.
Dr. Singhvi, my question is to you, sir. If
He
my
just
voice...
interrupts everybody all the time.
Okay, now my question is to Dr. Singhvi. Dr. Singhvi, you know, the simple point is this. On nuclear policy, your government has been extremely rigid. The Prime Minister was willing to sacrifice the government. He broke off with the left. There is no element of discussion. There seems to be no negotiating room. The whole country is debating this. Yeah, I know there is some prestige involved with the implementation of the follow-up of our nuclear deals, but you know, there are people, there are genuine scientific concerns. What will your government do, in your view, or should it do to show greater flexibility than it is tonight on this subject?
I don't know. Let me start first. I'm quite happy to listen. I'm answering only because you're asking me a question. I'm not too keen to speak because I'm quite enjoying the discussion going on, and you're just blaming political people, because what I've just seen is that there can be a fairly intense, uncontrolled discussion between two scientists.
Yes.
Now, your question is very large, Arnav. I don't know. It's for you to take the call. I think some people believe in this country that you cannot stretch democracy beyond what is stretched in our country. We started the 1, 2, 3 debate, I don't know when it was, 2007 was it, 2006? 2007. 2007 to 2009 we debated it. We debated it ad nauseum, ad infinitum, in Parliament, out of Parliament. We have then debated the cap liability bill, the nuclear liability bill, ad nauseum, in and out of Parliament. We have also now debated individual power projects. Now, I am not suggesting that you or I must agree, or that Praful Bidwai and I must agree. That's the essence of democracy. We must each uphold the other's right to disagree. But then beyond that, to suggest that there is a veto in a democracy is wrong. The Prime Minister and the earlier UPA one took a call almost to the point of falling down on a privilege motion. We put our nose where we put our money
So
where
there
our
can be
mouth
no
was.
change in that.
And we took the call, we took the responsibility. No, I'm saying there can be no change in the 1, 2, 3 or the nuclear
Not
liability.
1, 2,
Of course,
3.
there
On
can
this
be a
particular
change in
project.
individual projects.
This is not
Of
1, 2,
course
3,
there can
this
be.
project.
If there are, of course this project can be changed.
Okay.
Provided there is credible material which comes out. Do you think this government or any government of any sense in a democracy like India, so transparent, with channels like you're glaring down our neck all the time, would want to endanger the lives of citizens? Obviously not. But you must give something credible. It can't be, the answer can't be, Arnab,
exactly
that
what
because Jaitapur residents are objecting and protesting, we must scrap the project.
Sir, but that was the argument. That was
Can't
the
work like
argument
that.
in the case of the Vedanta project. It was the same argument in the case of
I'm
Vedanta
sorry, I'm
about
sorry.
settlement
No,
about
no,
settlement
no.
of the local tribal people. In this case, 40 out of 2,400 people have accepted.
The detailed
98% have
in
rejected
the Vedanta project.
compensation.
In the Vedanta project, there is a detailed written order by the Ministry of Environment, the precise same ministry which has cleared this project, which says that there are several infirmities in the Vedanta approval.
you
There are reasons given there.
But there were no
Please don't
economic
let's
or
not mix up.
diplomatic reasons
there is
there.
a MOEF,
to draw the attention
there is
of
a
Mr.
MOEF
Singh to the
rejection
POSCO
there, there is
project.
an
The
MOEF
POSCO
approval
project
there.
was
Here.
set up-
And if you
was-
can't equate
the POSCO
approval with the
project was
rejection,
rejected by
and
the
let me
Ministry
tell
of
you, if there is any
Environment
problem
only on the
about the
ground
hearing,
that
the
there was
residents of Jaitapur have a
resolutions
right
passed
to
by
go to a
two Gram
tribunal.
Sabhas against the
An
project.
environment tribunal sits here.
Okay, here's a response. Few more minutes. Abhishek Manu Singhvi. Response to Abhishek Manu Singhvi from the Shiv Sena tonight. Go ahead.
Yeah, the POSCO project in Orissa was run down by the Ministry of Environment on 2 resolutions passed by the Gram Sabha of the respective place. Here we have the entire region, entire district protesting against the project. Why is the stepmotherly treatment being forwarded to Maharashtra and Konkan? Can Mr. Singhvi explain that?
I'll tell you, yes, because you obviously got your facts wrong. The POSCO project, those 2 resolutions you are
Singhvi, I
talking
have not
about,
got my facts
invoke
wrong. You
a
can
violation.
Let's listen to the response,
Just
Rahul.
a minute, let me answer now.
Yeah.
If you got your facts wrong, at least listen to how you got your facts wrong. The Tribal Forest Rights Act in the POSCO case were said to have been violated because the tribal elements in those 2 Gram Sabhas had not been consulted. That was a specific violation of a Tribal Forest Rights Act, which was the reason for POSCO. In this case, there is no such act applying because there are no tribals in the region.
No, there's a response from a local resident tonight. Rahul,
Yes,
1 minute. Raja Patwardhan.
I have to tell you, 16th May 1910 was the Janasunvai that took place. That was the last legal hurdle. And 28th of November this year,
1,000 people attended.
people attended 28th November after 7 months. It took 7 months of debate and discussions. And many people who were opposing the project were in discussion, and after 7 months of thorough discussion, Jairam Ramesh has given the approval.
Okay.
That is point number 1.
Okay. Now, I'll wrap it up at this. I have just one point to make tonight. First of all, to each of my participants tonight, I thank you for your patience. It reaffirms this debate, however, as Dr. Singhvi says, heated, it reaffirms the point that in this country we can have open debate. My question to all the viewers of Newshour tonight and to my panelists once again remains, it's a big project. It's a sensitive project. It involves people. It also now involves politics. Fact is, should there be transparency? Should it be in a veil of secrecy? Should it be hurried? Or should there be a greater public consultation process? That's the question tonight we are putting on the Newshour. To my panelists, thank you very much. To every viewer of the Newshour tonight, thank you for being with me tonight. I'll see you tomorrow same time with the news, the hard questions and the relevant debate. Good night and goodbye.
And Saurav.
Chernobyl, the symbol of death by radiation. 25 years on, the ghost of Chernobyl still haunts Ukraine. The world's worst nuclear disaster, the horrific legacy of the Soviet Union. But even today, the dangers of nuclear radiation looms large. The tsunami that put Japan on the edge, threatening a repeat of Chernobyl in Fukushima. Yet India continues to flirt with danger, choosing nuclear power when world over fascination with nuclear energy has become past tense. Can we afford to expose ourselves to dangers of nuclear radiation?